Hi guys, my name is Prince and welcome to another episode with the Diaspora Project. Are you a Nigerian in diaspora or a Perseverant in diaspora or an aquacross in diaspora and you feel dislocated from your locality? Well, no more, the Diaspora Project are here to keep you updated of the local things happening in your locality. Well, today we are here to give you the latest prices of some building materials and how affordable they are. Come along with me as we show you how beautiful this material is and they are very affordable. Well, if you are also a business owner and you want us to come to your business place and showcase it to everybody who is in diaspora, the Perseverant in diaspora or aquacross in diaspora, you can reach out to us on the number showing on your screen or simply drop a comment on our video if you are watching us on YouTube, and we'll come to your locality and showcase your business to everyone who is in diaspora so they can patronize you. Come along with me today as we show you some prices of building materials, how beautiful they are and how affordable they are, that you can well be to anywhere, whether in diaspora or within Nigeria. Come along with me. Hi Chief, how are you today?
Alright.
Right, you are looking good. My name is Chris. What's your name?
My name is Thank God.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you own here or you manage here?
No, I just manage here.
Okay, you manage here. What service do you offer to the public?
Okay, we do offer tiles and also we do offer doors.
Okay, tiles.
Yeah, we do mainly offer tiles.
Okay, tiles and door, but you base mainly on tiles.
Yeah.
Okay, like how is your working experience? How long have you been managing here?
Okay, it has been up to 5 years. Up to 5 years.
Up to 5 years have been managing it. So, as a manager of this place, and you've stayed here like 5 years, do you have some challenges? I know business comes with challenges. What are the major challenges you face here?
Yeah, sometimes when they do bring the tiles, some of them do break.
Okay.
It causes shortage. Understand?
Okay.
Then secondly also lack of customers, because there are some period of time that customers do not come to buy tiles, because of the prices. So all those things also causes challenges. And also when customer comes like that and asks for the tiles and they don't see the design they want, because the design they do come in different designs every time. So there are some designs that will come that when customer comes and sees it, will not want to buy, they'll go to another place. So all those things causes challenges, but it's not as if we won't sell it. We do sell it, but sometimes it's always slow. But there are sometimes it always goes very fast.
Okay, I understand that the market is always fluctuating. The price go up, sometimes comes down. How did you balance your pricing with your customer? How did you get to relate with that? Because I know most customers, when they come today, you tell them this is 12,000. They come the next market, depending on the fluctuation of the market, it might rise to like 13,000. And when you tell them it's 13,000 now, they might feel like that is not the real price. You just wanted to add something. So how did you balance the fluctuation of the marketing in terms of price with our customers?
Okay, this is how we do, because we do have connections with others that do sell tiles. So now we do come together, understand, and then give a particular fixed price, so that if you go somewhere now and I want to ask for tiles, they'll tell you that same amount. Price. When you still come here, they'll tell you that same price, understand? So now even when they do bring it and come, they tell you the price that you should sell it, so that customers will be able to buy. But if you want to add something, there's no problem. There's a list price for all the tiles.
Wow, okay, there's a uniformity with you guys that are doing the same thing. Okay, as I look around, I see there are several people doing this same business around here. So how did you overcome competition? How did you keep your market going with a lot of people in the same business?
Okay, how would you keep the market going is that when customers will come like that, you try to give them your list price so that they won't go elsewhere, because there are some customers that will check and check and check. So when they reach your shop, you understand, you have to give them the list price, so that at least they will not stress themselves to go somewhere. They'll just pick from you understand.
Well, that is very nice. Now let me ask you this question. I know most times customers are always troublesome. They might come to get goods and ended up doing some other things. Have you had any issue with customer before? If yes, how did you resolve it?
Yes. We do have issues with customers. Sometimes when we sell like that, sometimes it's broken, sometimes it's not the same design that they want to do. So now how would we resolve it? The broken tiles, we will try and change it for them. Sometimes they'll just come and tell us that the thing was broken. We tell them sorry, that next time we'll do it well for them. So that's how we do resolve it. Sometimes we will just change it for them very well.
Wow, that's a good customer service. Changing it for them is actually a good customer service. I don't know, these types, are they, all of them, are they same design, or they have different size, they have different quality, and they are different standards?
No, all the tiles are different. Okay. So like this one here, see, this design and this design is not the same. Yeah. Understand? Then this size and this size is not the same. Even with this one here, like this one now is 60 by 60, this one is 40 by 40. Even in the smaller size, the 40 by 40 is of different sizes. Yeah. So now, like this one is a different company. Like this one is Veroni, this one is Goodwill. Understand? So now,
how did you get this one?
Goodwill.
Okay.
So now we also have it in wall tiles, you understand? Yeah. Like these ones are different colors. If you check behind also, you see other different colors. So that's the thing. Even with this one here, 60 by 120. Okay. So that's the thing. Guys, we have it in different sizes and different colors. Okay. So that's customers will have choices. From.
So where can I fix this one? Like this one, and they are very large. Where can I fix them?
This one you can fix them on your floor.
Your floor.
Yeah, your floor. Or you can fix them on your this thing counter where your kitchen this thing cabinets. You understand? You can fix them there. Even this one too, you fix them on your floor. Wow. Then this one you fix them on your wall. You understand?
Okay, this one is for wall.
For wall. Yeah, this one is for wall.
Okay, this one goes for parlor or like sitting room too.
This one is for parlor. This thing for bedroom. Okay. Beds. Mainly for parlor. Okay. Because it's, if you put it in bedroom, maybe you just finish bathing now. But some people do choose it for bedroom bed. What some people do is that they choose this one that is rough for bedroom or for bathroom
to avoid sleep rain.
Yeah. Okay. So they do choose this one for parlor and sometimes for veranda. You understand? So they do choose this one for bedroom, bathroom, the rough ones. But sometimes they do choose this one also for parlor, because this one also covers space very well more than this one. You know, some people do choose this one, but mainly people choose this one very well. Okay. Because it covers space more than this one.
If I choose this one for parlor, how many of these do I need like to cover my parlor space? Because I know parlor is sometimes they are large, you know. How many of these do I need like to cover my parlor space?
If it is like a 12 by 12 room, like the parlor.
Yes, it's 12 by 12.
12 by 12. You carry this on 10 cartons.
Okay, 10 cartons of this can go for 12 by 12 parlor.
Yeah. Okay. But if the parlor is not all that large, you can carry like 9 cartons each, so that you can do for skating. Okay. Then if it is this other size here, you carry 8 cartons.
Okay, for this one.
Yes, for 8 cartons. You carry this one
for parlor.
Yeah, for parlor. Wow. Try this one 8 cartons, and also you do it for skating. So these ones are the ones for parlor, and also this one you can use it for parlor.
Okay, I want to ask the prices that you sell in cartons. I know the prices differ. Can you just show me around some of the prices and some of the company and how the prices work per carton? And did you sell singly?
No, sometimes we do sell in the bed, very rare, but we do sell it
on rare cases. Yeah, I want to know like the prices per carton, how the companies, their different names and their different position, because I know it's not every time. There are some that are for bathroom, like you said, some that are for so. I don't know if you can go around and just show me a little of those places where you can fix them and the rest. If you don't mind, let's just
like showing you the
in cartons, like the company name. This one is good for bedroom. This one, like all those stuff.
All right.
So, because I see there are a lot in stock here.
All right. Okay, like this one here. This is a smaller one.
Okay. Yeah.
This is a smaller one. Okay. And the one I showed you 40 by 40. This one you can put it in your parlor. You understand? And this one is Goodwill. If you check, just that they wrote here Yak White, but you will check here it's best will
this is best with
or you can also call it Goodwill because it's of different names. You understand? But it's the same brand.
Okay, a carton like this of this is how much?
A carton of this is 10,000. We do start from 10,000, but when you price, we stop at 9,500. That's when we do start.
Okay, that is very affordable. A carton of this is 10. How many is inside?
Okay, it's 12 inside the carton.
Wow, 12 inside. Yes, and the carton is 10,000.
And it's 10,000.
Wow. This is actually very affordable. That's why I'm saying that Nigerians in diaspora who get things like this at higher rates, they should look down to their locality so that they can see that these things are actually cheap here. And we, the diaspora projects, are here to ship to any location of your choice, because that is our job. We need to connect people who are in diaspora, because things here are actually better than the one they do buy up there. Like I see, this one is just 10,000 in the carton is very, very affordable. You can't get it elsewhere in that kind of cheap amount. What of these other products?
Okay, these other products now, we do have here time ceramics. You understand?
Yeah.
Then we also have here, this one is Goodwill.
Okay.
Because you can see the design here, the same initials here.
Yeah.
You see the same initials here.
Okay.
This is Goodwill. Then this one is based and time ceramic.
Where is the best place to fix this one in your room?
It's also for parlor, for floor, or you can fix it in your room or veranda. Yeah. It's also good for it. Even in your garage, you can fix it.
So a part of this is how much? Like
a carton of this one here. The carton of this one is 10,500. Okay. The carton.
How many is inside?
It's 4 inside the carton.
Wow. Okay, that large size, the one you're showing outside.
Yes. It's a 4 pieces inside.
It's very, very affordable. What of this?
Okay, this one here. This one, it's kind of outside wall. You understand? You fix this one outside, and this is the size 20. This is 55 times 50 by 50. You understand? So now this is the design of the tiles.
Okay. This is for outside wall.
Yeah, for outside wall.
Okay, it's very fine.
All right. Then we also have another design of outside wall here. This is another design.
Wow. These are actually nice. So how many is inside here?
Okay, we have it 12 inside the carton. Well, they do write it on the carton so that in case
you go home and they are not complete. So how much a carton of this goes for? How much?
Okay, a carton of this goes for 9,000 naira.
Wow. You know the most amazing thing I love about here is everything here are very affordable.
Yeah.
That's why I call all the Nigerians who are in diaspora, perseverance in diaspora, and even aquacross who are in diaspora to look down to their locality. These things are very, very affordable. This one is also a best way product.
Yeah, it's also a best product also.
Wow. Okay, this one, how many is inside?
It's 4 inside the carton.
Okay, 4 inside, and it goes for
10,000 naira.
10,000 naira. This is really, really, and we have a lot in stock that we cannot show you all. But all I want to assure you is that either you're a Nigerian in diaspora, a perseverance in diaspora, or an aquacross in diaspora, the diaspora projects are here to keep you up to date of prices of things that are very cheaper here. All you need to do is contact us on the number showing on your screen, or call the phone number, or drop a comment on our comment section. And if you're a business owner and you want us to advertise your product to everybody in the world, you can also DM us. I would like to get your location or get your phone number so that we'll put it in our video so that our viewers can easily connect with you. I don't know if you can call your phone number out for our viewers.
Okay, my phone number is 0704 319 4859, or you can call 0036 28 4509. Those two phone numbers, if you call, they are all going through.
Yeah, where is the location of this place in case people who are around can easily locate the place?
Okay, this is Akim Timber Market, or you can call it Edimekpiyong Street. You understand? Okay. So, but you can also locate it at Akim Timber Market.
Yes. Akim Timber Market. If you are around here, this is Akim Timber Market. All you need to do is come here and get things at very cheaper rates. And if you are in Nigeria in diaspora, bother no more. The diaspora project are here to make it very easy for you. Just hit the subscription button if you are watching us for the first time on Facebook, and if you are watching us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and follow us. Drop a comment if you want any of this. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.